In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dropdowns in Bubble.io. If you're new to Bubble.io or looking to enhance your application with dynamic selections, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head to Bubble.io. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for now, let's assume you already have an account. When you get to the home page, you'll notice the Login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking, a new login page will prompt you for your credentials, but we're going to make this simple by selecting Continue with Google. This allows you to access your Bubble.io account using your Google account without the need for additional passwords. Once you click on this, you'll be redirected to a screen where Google requests you to select your account. Simply click on your Google account to proceed. From there, you will be taken back to Bubble.io, where you'll need to press Continue to finalize your login process. This brings you to your project dashboard, displaying all the projects you've been working on. Now identify and click on the project you want to incorporate dropdowns into. Once your project is open, you'll see different sections like Design, Data, and Workflow at the top. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the Design tab. Click on it to get started. In the Design section, you'll be using various elements to build your page, so navigate to the search bar and type in Dropdown. When you find the dropdown element, select it. With your dropdown selected, you'll now decide where on your page you want it to appear. Click on that area to place your dropdown. Here's a tip. Consider the user experience and place it where it logically fits within the context of your app's functionality. Next, set up the options for your dropdown. You can choose either static or dynamic choices. For static choices, simply click on the dropdown element, then add labels for each option you'd like the user to select from. Remember, you can also opt for dynamic choices where you pull data directly from your database, which is handy for larger, varying data sets. Once your options are set, go ahead and hit the play button at the top right corner of the Bubble editor to preview how your dropdown operates. Clicking this lets you test and see how your dropdown works in real time within your application. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a dropdown in Bubble.io. Feel free to experiment with different options and styles to see what fits best for your particular project. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Bubble.io tips and tricks.